Brice Lemaire, Key Account Manager for Chart, as well as LNG system provider for Spain and France. So Chart is a system provider as well as a vacuum technology provider for storage in LNG and air gases. Historically, I've been producing air gases tank and industrial tanks for the last decades, and providing LNG system now and turnkey system solution for LNG. Chart want to be the platinum sponsor because the main goal was to promote and move the industry, being the main driver for the industry in the LNG, and Chart want to be a leader in that position. That's why the sponsorship was important, as well. Following the last happening on the LNG price, we have to regain trust of our customer, and for this we have to be the driver and convince them again that LNG is the right solution. It's very important for the user and the end user to understand that the infrastructure and the material they are using is the most important part. One piece of equipment can change from a very successful project to a disastrous project, and as well, not only now the equipment, but in the next decades, the real point would be to have a real network of service available for your solution to be 100% available all the time, and being able to provide your molecule if you are selling molecule or your service to your customer. So next decade, very important to take care of the equipment and then have a real service on these equipment and a follow-up. So as everybody knows, the real challenge is the LNG price. In the last few years, we have noticed elevated price that have slowed down the market a lot. However, we have now a more stable market, and we believe that the potential to have customers trust again is important, but it's not only them who have to do the step. We have to show them that we have reliable solution, that we have a network of service that they can rely on it, and that's why Chart have developed its network in the last few years in order to be able to show that LNG is sustainable market and sustainable solution for the user in the energy. I'm very happy to be a part of this anniversary because I've been there from the beginning, and Chart as well. I've been supporting LNGCON for many years now. We like the quality of the event and the quality of the participant. As well, we believe that this is typically this type of event that we can show that there is a real interest in LNG and solution for our customers. The gala dinner was well organized. We had the chance this time to have activities where I see a lot of people enjoyed, and it was great to see all those people united in one of the biggest gala dinner, I think, from LNGCON. Chart have been involved in supporting a lot of team and charity events for the last years or decades. It's very in our DNA that we will support, and we are continuously supporting different causes around the world, and that's why it was obvious that Chart will participate and support this charity. For me, LNG conference organized by BGS Group are always been key because you have those managers that can lead to have B2B meeting, face-to-face meeting and you can target some of your specific customer that you don't know and may be difficult to reach for you. And therefore, the work that BGS is doing at LNGCON is great, and our manager was perfect. He brought all the B2B and VIP meeting to us.